Hey guys, we are freezing. The weather is not feeling so cold, after staying a few weeks in Nigeria with the hot weather. Now I'm back. And look at my husband, he's wearing he's wearing hoodie. When I tell you it's cold though, go and wear something to cover up. And look at me. I'm wearing double because it's a little cold, I don't know how I'm suddenly feeling cold though, because I know prior to traveling, you guys don't see me wearing like this all the time, especially now that the weather is not too cold. But I'm feeling really, really cold outside now. After few weeks in Nigeria, everywhere is looking.
Oh, it looks bad.
It looks dirty, right?
It looks bad. It looks bad.
Like buns.
Yes. I like the buns I have. I like the buns. Look at buns.
We want to do small roasting and grilling. You know what? I think I should put this chair here, but I don't want to wet this place. This is where we're going to stay. I just wash in the grass. Don't want any water here. When I choose to be careful, I don't want you stepping inside the water. I'll wash that one later. When I choose to move. Move now.
Can I stay here?
Stay anywhere that the water will not touch you. Don't want dirty water touching you.
Mommy,
Yes,
when we're going to do it, it looks so dirty because of the dirty rain.
I'm gonna choose to wear jackets.
When I choose to go and wear jacket. You're not cold, you're gonna sneeze, please. You just need to listen now. To dry. Why am I singing that song? Normally, my me before traveling to Nigeria will not remember that Mona Tese is not wearing jacket because I'll not be feeling cold, and I'll be using my own body to check her. It's cold. It's cold in England, in as much as it's summer. I think Chemeka is awake. I think we should be keeping these chairs like this. Not any time that small rain falls, I will come and start removing the rain and cleaning. Chemeka, come! Mama! Bring Chemeka outside. This is finished. That's done the job. Chin Chin, come on, we are outside. Bring him out. Chemeka has changed though since we traveled to Nigeria. He's needing small attention. Before I would just call him and he will run to meet me. Now he wants me to come and carry him from inside. Chin, come baby. My boo boo. Hey. Come. Boom. Hey, say hello, aunties and uncles. I just woke up from sleep. Momo. Just step in the water. I don't want you feeling cold.
A little water on your leg.
Sorry. Yeah, I need to clean the chair so that I will sit down. I kept like this.
You don't think we are going to sit outside once we roast this
Yeah,
thing?
but
We don't go inside and eat the corn inside.
I mean, it's cold. It's not friendly outside. It's not nice.
It's not as if it's that cold, but because we
Not
just
too
came
cold.
back,
Right?
we just came back.
We are trying to reacclimatize.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too cold, but you know, we just came back, so we are feeling a little bit cold because you guys, we are not used to this weather anymore. Mama, right?
Yeah.
It's a little cold here in England. It's not warm like Nigeria.
And it's a little bit cold and windy.
Yeah. Let's get our stuff outside.
Even though the temperature says 19 degrees.
Is it not the one that says 19 degrees? But feels like 10 degrees.
Yeah, it feels like 10 degrees.
That is cold. It doesn't feel like that. It's colder than they say. What is it? Chicken.
Open the shutter.
What's that? Okay.